Welcome back, amazing viewers. Mahesh here. Hope you're doing great. Today's video is a game changer because we are diving into the world of Instagram theme pages and uncovering the secrets to making substantial income through affiliate marketing. But before we dive in, do me a favor and smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you won't want to miss what's coming up next. And also, it would be motivating me to create new content for you. Just imagine, guys, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and start making money in dollars just on autopilot, that too creating simple online systems, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? And guys, at any time, if you are really interested in my preferred or my own method to make around $5,000 to $10,000 per month from home, then I request you to please click the first link in the description, get registered so that I would be immediately sharing you with the strategy. Alright, and also if you stick to this video till the end, then I would be giving away a $97 bonus absolutely for free. Now let's get right into it. So what's the deal with Instagram theme pages? Essentially, these are spaces where you curate and repost content centered around a specific theme or niche. You have probably scrolled past those pages filled with motivational quotes or jaw-dropping travel destinations, right? But today, I'm here to show you how to turn that scrolling into serious income. The first step in this journey is choosing your niche. Now, everyone asks, what's the most profitable niche? It's not just about profitability, it's about your passion. Whether it's fitness, motivation, food, or pets, find something that lights a fire in you. Authenticity is your secret weapon. For example, if you are a fitness enthusiast, imagine creating a theme page dedicated to workout routines, healthy recipes, and motivational quotes. Alright, so guys, if you stick to this video till the end, I'm also going to show you a live example of my own page which started generating money. Alright, so once you have found your niche, it's time to gather inspiration from successful pages. What are they doing right now? And remember, it's not just about inspiration, it's about consistency. Commit to post regularly. It's not about the number of followers, but the dedication and patience you invest. Let's say your niche is pets. Find successful pet theme pages, see what content they are posting, and commit to regular posts showcasing adorable animals, tips, and more. So just don't copy right away with the post, but duplicate it and post it on your own Instagram page. Now let's talk money. Okay, beyond shoutouts, affiliate marketing can be your golden ticket. Notice that link in the bio, you can see, right? These are affiliate links. That's your gateway to earnings. Platforms like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, and Digistore24 offer a variety of products you can promote and earn commissions from it. For example, if you are in fitness niche, explore fitness related products on these platforms. Okay, create your Instagram channel on fitness related things and you can promote workout guides, supplements, or fitness equipments. You can find each and every product from these affiliate platforms. So it's very easy, and I'm about to show you a live example also. All right, so Instagram doesn't allow direct affiliate links. Keep this in mind. So you shouldn't post direct affiliate links in the bio section. For that purpose, you need to have a Linktree account. So if you're new to Linktree, then you can go search for Linktree and get registered, sign up. It's free. And once you sign up, then you need to create your account. A free tool allowing you to showcase multiple links is what Linktree is. Okay, so let me walk you through it. For example, create a Linktree for your fitness theme page with links to affiliate products like workout programs, nutrition guides, supplements, and fitness gear. Alright, now here's a quick Linktree setup for my own program, which is called the Stasho method. I'm going to show you how to grab this affiliate link soon. So what you have to do is you need to visit Digistore24. If you don't have any account, then get registered over there. It's very easy. So once you get registered, click on Marketplace. So once you click on Marketplace, go to digital products and scroll down and you can see fitness and health. There are around 1 or 3 products already available into this niche. This is one of the best niche you need to promote. Not only go with my product which I'm suggesting, you can promote any product if you like. Okay, But this Stasho method is my own program which is helping individuals to create a supplement brand. So go search for this Stasho method and you would be earning upfront with $11 to $12 right away once the sale happens. Okay, go and search the Stasho method, or go to fitness and health, and go to second page, and here you would be finding the Stasho method. Grab the affiliate link, click on promote now and grab that affiliate link. Come to Linktree, create your account, okay, and also play with appearances and settings. Create your own theme. Look and feel should be on your own taste. So create your own theme and then after paste your affiliate link and click OK. That's it. Your affiliate link is ready to post on Instagram. Grab the Linktree link, go to Instagram and post it in the bio section. And from there, you need to have some creativity knowledge. Now let's talk about creating eye-catching content. Okay, tools like Canva are your best friends here. If you don't know how to use Canva, there are many tutorial videos on YouTube. Go learn how Canva would be working. It's not about reinventing the wheel, but adding your unique touch is very important. You know, consistency in branding, colors and messaging is a key. For example, you know, if your theme page is about motivation, create visually appealing quotes related to motivation with consistent fonts and colors that resonate with your brand. So once you have these creatives ready, grab it, download and post it regularly on Instagram. You know, when we talk about reality, success won't happen overnight. Those with massive followings invested years in building their pages. So be patient, stay consistent and put in the work. You know, daily keep on posting 2 to 3 posts, and remember, this isn't a get rich quick scheme, it's a long-term game. And also don't forget to leverage AI tools like ChatGPT for content ideas and inspirations. These tools can be powerful in your content creation journey. Success is a blend of creativity and strategic planning. For example, use ChatGPT to generate unique captions for your fitness posts, adding a personal touch that sets your content apart. And guys, as I said I would be also showing you an example, and you can see this is my recent business page which I've created on the Stasho supplement base, and this is the exact program what I'm promoting. Okay, as you scroll down, you can see all this content has been copied or duplicated with some other successful content in the internet. Okay, so I've just duplicated the content and posted in my Instagram account. And also you can see with just 31 posts I have generated a sale of $48. Okay, this I've been started this postings for along like 10 weeks ago, and I made my first sale within 10 weeks. So it's a long-term process, but you know, you can easily make money from that. So please follow the exact strategy what I've shown you. And also guys, as I said I would be giving away a free bonus of $97, right? So here is the bonus. The exact same program what you're seeing on Digistore 24, the Stasho method, I'm about to give you that absolutely for free. Okay, for only limited time you can grab this program absolutely for free. Go across with the program. And you know, if you're not interested in creating your supplement brand, no worries at all. Why? Because you can even make $100 to $200 per day just by going across with my program, the 2 on autopilot. It's very easy and interesting, so please grab that bonus. It's a limited time opportunity, please don't miss it. So guys, there you have it, a comprehensive guide on turning your Instagram theme page into a money making machine. It's not a shortcut but a proven strategy. Now go out there, choose your niche, stay consistent, and let me know your progress in the comments down below. Wishing you a best of luck, and remember, it's not just about the hustle, it's about the smart hustle. Until next time, keep hustling, subscribe, and meet you in my next video. Have a great day.